said this.
It's hecka loud. Okay, we're back the second time today with another mukbang, and we're mukbanging home cooked dinner with drinks over here. So show it up. This new thumbnail.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So we're mukbanging home cooked dinner. We have, what is this?
I don't know, steak?
We have some kind of meat here. Steak. No, it's not steak.
Some kind of steak? She said it was steak.
Some kind of steak, I guess.
Yeah.
And you want
rice.
And we have rice.
Corn.
And we have corn, and we have Hawaiian rolls.
And scallops.
Yeah, I don't like scallops, but she got scallops, like 2 of them, because she doesn't know how they taste. Okay, we'll taste the first.
I want to try this first.
Okay, try that. I don't really like scallops. They're just potatoes. Do you like it? I'll be right back. How before we eat this? Steak sauce. We don't have A1, but it's close enough.
What is it?
It's steak sauce.
Oh, we
It's
have
like
A1 sauce.
It's like A1, but it's like the knockoff brand, basically.
Okay, well, I'm gonna cut this.
Ooh! I love the way it smells so bad. I mean, so much. I was gonna eat the corn first because it's gonna get cold.
You know what? I'm cutting this
Mmm.
Usually
First
people
bite. Sorry.
put the fork like this, but I don't understand how. So I'm just gonna do it like I do.
Wait, the fork like what?
Hold on, I'll show you in a second. Like this, how they have it like that and then they go in between.
Oh yeah, cut in little pieces?
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Like, I don't know. It seems awkward to me. I'm just gonna...
So basically what we've been doing today is playing Sims.
All day.
Literally all day. It's just Sims.
Ever since the last...
We were gonna go to the movies, but change of plans. Change of plans. So we didn't. We need more videos to make. And you guys need to comment below.
I don't usually talk when I eat, so if I go silent, it means it's just really good.
That's a compliment. Oh yeah, and I was doing a lot of burping earlier. That's a compliment to the chef in some countries. No, fact. Okay, I don't know. Is this fat? I think that's fat. What is this red sauce on it? You know?
Looks like steak sauce.
This is not steak. This is like beef. Not pork. My mom can't eat pork.
Pretty sure it's steak. She said it was steak.
Or some kind of.
She said.
Guys, we might have this wrong. It might not be steak.
Who cares? It's meat.
I got steak sauce anyway. Let's see how it tastes with steak sauce. Smell it though. It smells so good. It's like really strong though. It's like,
It smells just like A1 sauce.
right, it's the knockoff brand. It's just Winkle. I almost dropped my plate. It's not steak at all. Steak does not have this. What do you guys think this is? This is not steak. What do you guys think that is? Definitely not steak to me, not in my opinion.
It's steak.
I'm gonna try it with the A1 sauce.
Mom!
Oh, is she gonna come in here? I don't think she can hear you. Can you go ask her?
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna ask her what kind of meat this is so we can get it right for you guys. It tastes heck good with the steak sauce. Okay, there's fat in here. Savannah wants to know. Really?
I told you.
It's a steak.
Steak.
What sauce does she put on this?
I don't know. You go ask her this time. Oh, my fork's just almost impaled me.
Maybe I should eat the meat last because my fork's getting dirty. And I don't really like my food to touch each other. I mean, you kind of have no choice now, but it's like still cringing. Missy. Okay. Next time you try your meat, try it with the steak sauce. It's like bleak. No, I'm just kidding. Who says that anymore?
I don't like sticks.
Ew.
I like the smell of it. Like,
Ew. I hate rice.
why?
It's really watery. You like it? I don't like rice, guys. I don't eat rice with anything. And I only got this rice because I thought it was flavored, but it's not. It's just rice.
Tastes good to me.
Ew. The corn's good though. I prefer my corn unseasoned though, for some reason.
Why?
I
You don't
just
like flavor?
I just like plain corn. It's so good. Like, especially corn on the cob. Just like by itself.
But I like it with butter.
Or I like it with tahini. Or just like chili powder. And butter. And all that good stuff. Put on it. Oh. I'm
I
ripping
feel
my
like
apart.
I'm weird because the way I cut it. Cause like, see how my hand is?
That hand is weird. Not this hand though.
No, I know. I don't know how to hold it. Like, I'm weird. Okay, look, I do a lot of things with my left hand. Like, you're not supposed to. Like,
Yeah,
right-handed people are supposed to hold the broom. They're supposed to sweep like a right-handed person, right? I sweep like a left-handed person. I hold the broom. How do I hold the broom? I hold it up here with this hand and then move it with this hand. No. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I do it. And my grandma's like, that's called sweeping with your left hand. Left-handed. And I was like,
I'm gonna show you how I hold the
oh
broom.
wait.
I'm right-handed, and this is how I do the broom.
This is how I hold the broom.
This is how I hold the broom, guys. I never do it like that. That's so weird.
I go like this. This is how I hold it at the top, and then like this. Like, am I? That's how I do it. We're so weird, I guess. Unless they're doing it left hand and we're doing it right.
Yeah. The broom closet. I
Yeah,
kept
we
on
hold
calling
the
it
broom.
I kept on calling it the sweeper closet or sweeper room or something. She was like, no, it's called broom closet. I kept on calling it sweeper room.
Why?
Because broom, sweeper, I don't know.
Why do we call a toothbrush a toothbrusher if you brush all your teeth and not just one tooth? It should be a teeth brusher.
It's not a toothbrusher, it's called a toothbrush. Because you brush a tooth at a time. You can brush 3 teeth at a time.
You kind of do. What do you do? Do you toothbrush?
No, I don't want to update my carrier settings. It's so annoying.
I like the new iPhone update thing.
Yeah.
The
I
control
like-
center.
I've been had it because I did, I had the beta.
See how you hold your fork like
This?
I can't do it, yeah. Like that.
I do everything
It feels
like
so
back.
weird.
I don't know. This is how I just do it.
Okay, but I like this.
Okay, I need more steak
I
sauce.
feel like I have more of a grip when I do that. If I go like this.
I was gonna, never mind. I was gonna lick it, but I was like, nope.
Huh?
No regrets.
What?
A lot of steak sauce on that one. What is the sauce on top though? For steak though?
Oh.
When you put this on?
Barbecue sauce.
I'll try this.
Yeah.
And she puts the type of seasoning on it because it's lightly spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's good,
okay.
though.
This is disgusting.
I love
Hi,
the
Mom.
rice.
Hey, mama.
Wait, did she walk in?
No, the camera.
Oh.
I like the rice.
Like it together?
I like it.
Together? Yeah, I know.
It's interesting.
Oh, if you guys want to know what juice I'm drinking, this one. We used to get it from Costco, but they started watering it down because of like economy stuff.
If you guys want to know what kind of water I'm drinking.
I was like, it got quiet. You know when you laugh a lot, you lose weight? And we were laughing hecka earlier. She was like, I'm losing so much weight right now. It was hecka funny.
I could feel the weight being lost.
Cause like your muscles are like tightening up over and over. I should just like laugh like forever. Well, I already laugh at everything, so I feel like I laugh too much sometimes.
Oh, I love
There's a lot of
laughing.
fat in here. Like it feels like nice to laugh. Like laughing,
Feels
especially
good.
especially
It's like a
when
relief.
especially when you're laughing like heck. Oh gosh. And your stomach hurts.
And then your cheeks
That's
hurt.
the best kind of laughing. Yeah, from smiling.
I mean, just real.
Right. She made me clean her house. Did I tell you guys that already?
No, she offered
Mm-mm.
to help.
Because they
She
were
said-
taking 10 years to clean one room. It's
You
true,
said,
guys.
when
True
we were
story.
sitting on the bed, he called me and then you said, well, I'm gonna help you clean because I don't want to sit here and just watch you.
Yeah, and
Because you
also-
don't know that I take slow because I actually
Yes,
don't.
you do take slow for everything. You took like an hour cleaning the bathroom itself.
I like things nice.
She was literally taking
When I start cleaning,
one
I clean
one
everything.
bobby pin at a time and wiping it down. You were like, you were standing in one position. I walked past the bathroom like 10 times and you were still standing in the same position I left you in. And I was like, you know what, I'll take over. And right when I took over, it was time to clean the toilet. And I was like, great. She was about to pour a Windex in the toilet.
I didn't know if we had cleaner.
This is a lot, like it smells. Okay, go one more time. It scared me the first time and I'm putting this away. It's starting to get warm.
What?
It's sour.
What is?
This.
Oh, oops. Put some on here.
Ew. Take a piece off, because what if I ruin it? Put it over the plate. Put it over.
Sorry. I had to burp. Excuse me.
What if it goes in here?
Don't let it. Only a little. Stop.
It's not even coming to the top yet.
Stop. It's gonna come out a lot. Don't ever do that again. Oh my gosh, that's horrible.
I tried it.
Ew. Ew.
What if you start burping A1 sauce all night? Oh crap, that's a lot.
Eat it.
Eat it. It's not bad.
That's actually not too bad.
How does that wipe it off? I don't really taste it. I was cheating.
Dang, you still got a lot of food left, girl.
Dang, where's your food?
You're a slow eater.
I can't even say anything. I don't know.
I've been eating so slow this whole time.
You're in my way.
Where have you been?
I need to move, like, because it won't go on the fork. I mean, yeah. Have you ever had food on your fork and then it drops You pick it up with your hand, put it back on, and then eat it. Have you ever did that before? Have you guys ever did it before? Comment if you did.
I just put the food on my fork with my hand sometimes.
No,
because.
like this. It does like that, and then it drops, and then you do like this. And then you eat it.
Yeah, sometimes I just
Yeah.
do that just 'cause.
I feel like that's like so stupid, like a waste, but like it's like I do it out of instinct.
Man, I was so hungry coming into this, and now I'm so full.
I'm at the walk-in.
I came into this hungry, and I'm leaving hungry. No, I'm just kidding. No, only because I didn't eat the rice. Telling her what? Tell her, because it was disgusting. She put too much water.
She said that you said the rice was nasty.
Oh! Yeah, she probably should have put it in the actual rice pot, because she just made it on the stove. I think
She
she
was trying
agrees.
something new.
I think she.
I actually like the rice. I think there's an eyelash in my food.
From you?
Right here. I know it's mine. No. That's my eyelash.
Oh, let's DNA test it on Trichomolistics.
We haven't done eyelashes yet.
You guys did hair follicles, it's the same thing.
No, not really.
Mm-hmm. It's hair.
Okay, I'm done. I didn't even see it.
I'm not done, guys, I'm sorry.
You're slow. How much you have left?
I know because I don't know, I just can't eat fast.
I want that one part where if I say something like so cool and then I have those glasses on and it's
And like,
na-na-na-na-na. Yeah.
It's the big dance that Snoop
It's
Dogg.
my mother, father, brother, and me.
Oh, yeah, that mom.
I don't get the joke, so like
I
Bobby.
mean, ice cream doesn't allow to get.
We have ice creams?
Yeah, we have ice cream sandwiches.
La da 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 da. It's the big da 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 Snoop Dogg. Ow!
What did you do?
I knocked my ankle on your chair.
I hit my ankle on your chair.
No! The outside of my ankle hurts.
Why do I always get the inside chair?
Because I'm running this show. Ow! These chairs are dangerous.
Stop hurting yourself.
Why hurt yourself? Why hurt yourself? Why hurt yourself? Why hurt yourself? What do you want to do after this?
Play The Sims.
No, we've been playing this all day though.
Yeah. 'Cause it's
I
fun.
think I'm done, guys. I don't know. I'm not really hungry. I'll probably come back to it later though. How do you eat your guys' Hawaiian buns? I just like to squish mine up.
I like to put butter on mine and heat it
Ew! Ruins it. I know, I'm so weird.
up. How does it ruin it?
Because it ruins the flavor of the Hawaiian-ness.
We're on YouTube right now.
Ow!
What'd you do?
I keep hurting myself. I bit the inside of my cheek thinking that I had this in my mouth. I thought it was a piece of...
Oh,
What?
ow! Something, I feel like something just bit me. Do you ever get like those
Like
shocks?
sharp pains?
Yeah, like just not out of nowhere and it just makes you like, ow.
Guys, I think I'm done.
That hurt.
We've been recording for a while now.
Yeah. It's been like 5 minutes.
It's been
45 minutes.
Wait, one more bite though, because it's kind of good. Kinda, it is good. See that? I'm sorry. Come on. She likes to steal my words. Like, I used to be like your mom all the time, and now she
And
says
then
it.
I started saying it.
Your
Yeah,
mom.
I just picked it up. You know?
And then she was like, your dad. And I was like, it's not the same.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, you said I'm gonna start saying your dad now from now on.
No, I said I'm gonna start saying yo mama from now on. I'm gonna say your dad. Jack says your dad. My brother says your dad. That always creeps me out.
What is that? Oh, I thought that was your foot. I thought that was your like your leg. I was like, first of all, why is it that high? Why is it on my head? Oh, the shower. How many likes should this get first?
50 million.
Well, you heard the girl. 50 million likes, guys. Okay, we're gonna do. How does she do it again? Oh yeah, she's like, I love you guys so much, and stay confident. Mwah. Bye, beautifuls.